Hello everyone, I'm Shubham, and today we'll quickly integrate the OpenAI API Key into PLG OS. We'll start from the PLG OS dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, select the Home menu and then click on Integrations. This page shows you all available connections to import or export data to your other applications. On the Integrations page, locate the search bar at the top. Type OpenAI to filter the list. The OpenAI card will appear, which describes it as a leading artificial intelligence research organization dedicated to advancing AI. Click Connect button on the OpenAI card. A new window will appear titled Connect OpenAI, asking for your API key. Paste the key into the API key field. Click Save. Once saved, you'll see a green "Congratulations, connected to OpenAI successfully" message. You can now scroll down and confirm that the OpenAI card has updated from Connect to Disconnect, indicating the integration is active. That's it. Your PLG OS is now connected to OpenAI, ready to power your data intelligence. If you have any feedback or require assistance, please contact our support team.